What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Masterpiece Maker. Now, Masterpiece Maker is live for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They're doing amazing. This is an insane pre-sale. They've surpassed their soft cap by, it looks like, well over like 20 times. Doing insanely well here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. Masterpiece Maker. So yeah, they have they're doing a pre-sale on pinksale.finance right now. Soft cap was set at 50 BNB. And right now they've sold 1,320.47 BNB. Insane, to 1,921 different investors. This is a gigantic pre-sale here. Initial market cap estimate $1.4 million. Does that say billion? $1.4 billion. Gee, what? That's the biggest initial market cap estimate I've ever seen. And then it just changed a little bit. Yeah, but around 1.4 billion. Are we joking? Is there a decimal place in the wrong place there? What's going on here? So their official webpage is masterpiecemaker.co. Their official Twitter is at Mama Launchpad. Their Telegram is Mama Token Crypto, and they have a Reddit, Masterpiece_Maker. It says, introducing Masterpiece Maker, the next leading decentralized fundraising platform equipped with masterclass technology for aspiring crypto projects all around the world, a place where we are all the master. Now, they have an embedded YouTube video you could watch called Introducing a Masterpiece Maker, and that is on PinkSale here. There's about 11 hours to this, the end of this pre-sale. I'm going to try to get this video up within the next hour or two. So if you're a subscriber, you'll be able to get in on this pre-sale if you want to. If you're not a subscriber, first of all, hit subscribe. And second of all, if you missed the pre-sale, afterwards, if you follow their socials there, they're going to announce exactly when they're being launched on PancakeSwap, and the pool will be filled shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap. And liquidity is going to be locked for 730 days. So that's some good security there. And yeah, so you'll just be able to get it over there. Ticker symbol is MAMA, M-A-M-A. Masterpiece Maker is the name of the token. Total supply of this token is, that looks like 1 quadrillion tokens. And then there is 100 billion tokens for pre-sale and 48.45 billion tokens for liquidity. Wow, I'm just almost 2,000 investors on this pre-sale. That's crazy. So according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 20% of the tokens go to staking reserves, 15% of the tokens go to ecosystem funds, 9% team allocation, 7.5% liquidity, 5% marketing allocations, 5% another marketing allocations, and 38.48% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, there is a quick audit here by Contract Checker that you can view in the discussion section in the bottom of the page here, and it's all good check marks, no bad warnings on here or anything like that. It says no mint function detected. Owner cannot add blacklisted users. Owner cannot disable trading. Owner cannot change max transaction amount, and owner can change the fees only up to 25% max. So lots of good stuff there. And yeah, so if you want to check out their official webpage, that's where they're going to have more information. They're actually trending in the #1 spot right now on PinkSale, obviously, with those types of numbers. They're ridiculous. So yeah, if you go over to masterpiecemaker.co, you can actually connect your wallet to the page because it is a Launchpad. So PinkSale is a Launchpad, so it's basically similar to PinkSale. It says a platform for makers, a home for visionaries. Masterpiece Maker is an ecosystem where we focus on a creative long-term vision to create a launch project into a sustainable community-driven force. To create an ecosystem where dreamers turn into masters. To connect creatives into the decentralized world where they get to be in control over their assets. To empower and facilitate makers to archive distinct token thresholds as an integral part of growth and utilizing and obtaining the value of each mission that is launched by our community. Read more about Masterpiece Launchpad Maker, how to become a master. They have 2 different Telegram groups, a Discord and a Twitter link there. So Masterpiece in the making, the golden token. Token utility, high value utility offers an opportunity for mama holders, communities, tokens of each sports, fan tokens of clubs via Launchpad. So they're staking, exclusive passes, trading benefits, get early access to mama currency. And so there's staking rewards, what we have done and what we aim for. So it says what they've done so far is research and analysis, developer and team building, concept making, unification of ideas, platform design and development, white paper release, website launch, and then it says in progress here, they're going to have app creation, smart contract setup, social media launching, release white paper and website, community building, internal AMA with founders, public sale. Upcoming, we're going to have listings, open features, first project host, partnership launchpad, or launching, I should say, collaboration project, AMA with founders, release marketing plan, app beta release. Then, yeah, and that's what they have, and I'm sure there'll be more in the future. And then they have a white paper on here, projects, ideas, and more details, a platform for makers, a home of visionaries. And you can check out the white paper. You could download it if you want to. So it looks like the dev is fully doxed here. Belvin Tinati, it says the mastermind, born and raised in North Sumatra. And it goes over a huge detailed thing about this guy here. They're partners with PancakeSwap, PinkSale, Binance Smart Chain. Are you looking to partner with Masterpiece Maker? No, I just did a video for free. So, I mean, you guys can just, if Masterpiece Maker sees this video and wants to send me $1 billion, then I'll appreciate that. But yeah, I just make these videos for fun. But anyway, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these types of videos where I introduce you guys to the new tokens that come out and their utility and use cases. Also hit the like button. Leave a comment. What do you guys think about Masterpiece Maker? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Almost 2,000 people do already, which is crazy. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box for the best crypto referral codes for the best crypto apps. And hit that join button or support on Patreon if you want to help the channel. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.